morning students. Today our topic is a bowl of rice. A bowl of rice. In this story, a king wanted to know about the people of his kingdom. They are compassionate or not. So he decided to find out. So he become a beggar. He and his minister went to his kingdom as a beggar and find out how the people are kind or compassionate. Have you helped the weak and poor persons? We must always help the poor persons. God help those who help the others. Be careful. So always help the old, sick and injured person. Now see the story. When you see a weak and sick beggar on the street, how do you feel? Do you feel for his suffering or do you make fun of him? Compassion is a feeling of sympathy towards the sorrows and misfortunes of others. A king used to travel in disguise to learn directly about the condition of his countrymen. The king wanted to know how the condition of his countrymen. So he would be accompanied by his minister in disguise. So see here, sympathy. Sympathy means feeling of pity for someone. And sorrows means feeling of extreme sadness or pain. Disgust means change in appearance to hide one's identity. Accompany means go somewhere with. Alms means donation of money or food to the poor. Destroy means damage. Destroy means damage. Starve means suffer from hunger. And humble means low importance. So see here, a king used to travel in disguise to learn directly about the condition of his countrymen. What is meant by disguise? Means change in appearance to hide. He reached to a rich merchant's house. First they reached to rich merchant's house. The rich merchant came out of the house and said, I have nothing to give you. He said that he had nothing to give him. My store caught fire yesterday and my stock of grains was destroyed. His store caught fire. So he has no grains. I cannot afford to lose more. He said that I cannot say that he has no grains to give the others. Hearing this, the king and his men felt sad. The king and his men felt sad. See, though he is rich, but he is unable to give the others. So they moved to the other house. Then they moved to the other house, which was owned by a priest. Which was owned by a priest. They moved to another house which was owned by a priest. The priest brought a handful of grains and gave it to the beggars. He said, I am a poor priest. I have a family of 6 to feed. How many members are in his family? 6 members. of 6 to feed. Hope this will do you some good. The king and his maid, they moved to a third house. This was the house of a poor farmer. See, first they went to the person who is rich. Secondly, they went to the person who is priest. And third, they went to the poor person. That is the farmer's house. This was the house of a farmer. That year, there were no rain and the farmer had suffered huge loss. So when he saw the beggars, he came out of his hut and gave them a large bowl of rice. With folded hands, he said, "Oh brother, please accept this bowl of rice." Though he is poor, he gave a bowl of rice to the beggars. With folded hands, he said, "Oh brother, please accept this bowl of rice. My wife cooked this for lunch today. But you and your fellow men look hungry and starved." He said that you are very hungry. You are starved. What is meant by starved? Suffer from hunger. They are very hungry. So please eat this humble meal while I bring you some water. He brings some water. The king was touched with the compassion of the poor farmer. He called him to his court, and the next day and rewarded him with gold coins, which were 10 times the weight of the rice. See, he had offered to them disguised as beggars. So see, the poor farmer helped the king. So he gave him lot of gold. He rewarded him by lot of gold. So we must help. Weak, sick and poor persons. Treating them as our brothers and sisters. We should find more happiness in giving than in receiving. God loves the one who is kind and compassionate. So always be compassionate. Help the poor, injured and old person. So kindness is compassion, helping and understanding are all the ways to show the sympathy towards the poor people. Compassion is a feeling of sympathy towards the sorrows and misfortunes of others.
Kids, तो आज हम सीखेंगे चैप्टर नंबर 4 A Bowl of Rice. How do you feel when you see an injured person on the road? Do you feel his or her suffering or do you make fun of him? Think of it. आप किसी को इंजर देखते हो रास्ते में तो आप उसका मजाक उड़ाते हो या आपको दर्द महसूस होता है? बेचारे बहुत दर्द महसूस होता होगा. सो कंपैशन वही फीलिंग है. Is a feeling of sympathy to the sorrows and misfortunes of others. So compassion should come from our heart. It should become a part of our life. Compassion brings peace and pleasure. Who knows, the time may come when we might also need help from the others. ऐसा भी time हो सकता है हमें दूसरों की मदद चाहिए हो. तो here is a story. Let's read the story. Very interesting and a short story. Let's finish it fast. Once there was a king who यूज टू ट्रैवल इन डिस्कस. राजा हमेशा अपना रूप बदल के गांव में जाके देखते थे कि गांव की कंडीशन कैसी है. सो हिज मिनिस्टर्स वुड ऑल्सो अकम्पनी मीन्स उसके साथ जाते थे. वन डे किंग एंड मिनिस्टर एक रिच मर्चेंट के घर गए. उन्होंने भिखारी की तरह हाथ फैलाया उनके आगे. आर्म्स मीन्स डोनेशन मांगी, पैसा मांगा, खाना मांगा. मर्चेंट ने बोला कि मेरे पास कुछ नहीं है, कल मेरे स्टोर में आग लग गई थी तो इसके वजह से सारे जो ग्रेन्स है गेहूँ सारे क्या हो गए, मेरे जल गए हैं और डिस्ट्रॉय हो गए हैं. तो अब मैं और दे के अपना कमाई लूज़ नहीं कर सकता हूँ. तो द किंग वॉज एंड हिज मिनिस्टर्स वर सैड. दे मूव फर्दर. फिर वो नेक्स्ट घर में गए. द हाउस वॉज ओन बाय अ प्रीस्ट, मतलब पुजारी जी, जो मंदिर के पुजारी होते हैं. ठीक है. तो द प्रीस्ट बॉट, उन्होंने अपने हाथ में हाथ भर के ग्रेन्स लेकर आए और उन्होंने उन्हें भीख दे दी. सो ही सेड, आई एम अ पुअर प्रीस्ट, आई हैव अ फैमिली ऑफ 5 टू फीड, होप दिस विल do you some good. So the king and the men were moved by the farmer. The king and his men then moved to the third house. मतलब खुश हुए, उन्होंने इतना तो दिया. तो जब तीसरे हाउस में गए तो वो घर था एक पुअर फार्मर का. That year there was no rain. उस समय वहाँ पर बारिश नहीं हुई थी. तो बारिश ना होने के कारण क्या हुआ, बारिश नहीं होती तो क्या होता है, लॉस होता है. सो उन्होंने देखा, व्हेन ही सॉ द बेगर्स ही केम आउट ऑफ द हट एंड गेव देम द लार्ज बाउल ऑफ राइस. तो with his folded hands he said, dear brother, please accept the bowl of rice. My wife cooked this for lunch today, but you looked hungry and starved. मतलब आपको ज़्यादा भूख लग रही है, मेरी बीवी ने ये घर में खाना बनाया था हमारे लंच के लिए, मगर आप दोनों को ज़्यादा भूख लग रही है तो ये आप ले लीजिए. So but you looked, so please eat it humbly. So let me bring water for you. वो बोलते मैं अभी पानी लेकर आता हूँ. ये देख के राजा के दिल में बहुत कंपैशन जागी. वो इतना खुश हुए ये देख के एक गरीब फार्मर जिसके पास कुछ नहीं है, घर में खाने के लिए भी नहीं है, फिर भी उसने अपना सब कुछ हमें दे दिया. तो नेक्स्ट डे राजा ने उस फार्मर को कहाँ बुलाया, अपने सभा में बुलाया. एंड रिवॉर्डेड हिम विद द गोल्ड कॉइन्स विच वर 10 times द वेट ऑफ द राइस ऑफ ही हैड ऑफर्ड टू द किंग. मतलब जितना उसने चावल उन्हें खाने के लिए दिया था उससे 10 गुना उसे गोल्ड दिया. So children, helping the needy is like showering our gratitude to God. If you are ready to help others, God will surely help you. Therefore help others wholeheartedly. कभी भी ये नहीं सोचना कि अपने तक रखना, हमेशा दूसरों को भी दो. अगर आप दूसरों की मदद करोगे हमेशा भगवान क्या करेंगे, आपको ब्लेस करेंगे. So always help others in this time of need. अभी देखो कितने महीनों से बंद है, मार्केट बंद, सबकी जॉब जा रही है, सब घर में रह रहे हैं, बहुत सारे लोग भूखे मर रहे हैं. तो ट्राई करो कुछ ना कुछ थोड़ा हेल्प करने की. दूसरों की हेल्प करोगे मतलब भगवान आपसे बहुत खुश होंगे. सो हेल्प अदर्स एंड स्टे एट होम, एंड दैट इज़ द कमांड ऑफ योर टीचर. स्टे एट होम एंड बी सेफ. Thank you and have a nice day.